Today we're here to help our town get involved more in our community, help our community for staying healthy. We started the Health Expo. Health is the basis for having a life, a good life. If you don't have it, you can't go to work, can't support your family. Those are the kinds of things that we're blessed when we do have our health.
There are some serious health concerns that are occurring both within the community but also globally. And we wanted to be able to tell people about that. We wanted to communicate that. We're helping to start the conversation within the community about how we can make improvements and come together to make the community stronger.
We've had eye examinations, we've had hearing and audiology examinations. In fact, we had one lady drive all the way down from Glens Falls just to do evaluations on people who no longer could hear, and she gave some great information on cochlear implants.
What brings me here today is because I wanted to educate people on how to get a caption telephone and help themselves or their loved ones who cannot hear on the phone. Caption telephone is words that print on the screen for people who cannot hear on the phone. So whatever they're missing on the phone, they can read on the screen.
So today, as I'm walking through the exhibit, I meet this young lady named Cassie, and in our conversation, Cassie and I happened to continue talking for a while, and she says, I'm totally deaf.
This event is very important just because being deaf, I can educate people here as well as CapTel, but as well as hearing loss in general. So my goal today is just to educate people and let them know how important it is to not feel isolated, to get back on the phone again and be independent for themselves.
Our Lions Club here in Somers has had this great opportunity to have this young lady with us so that the far outreaching benefit is just tremendous.
We've always supported the community in a variety of ways. And so overall, having a health expo allowed us to bring professionals together that are health related, that can speak to the drug crisis, and that could speak to our financial health so that they can support other people within the community.
Somers Lions Club is an example that anything could be done if you put your mind to it. And I couldn't think of a stronger way to do it than to help people with their health and to gather blood for those who need it most. Somers Lions Club, again, steps up big all the time. We provided a venue for the New York Blood Center to hold their blood drive because the blood is so needed.
How many people, how many professionals in the community wanted to come and spend a Saturday where they weren't getting paid, they weren't making money. They came together to bring information to the community at their own cost. Just to see people wanting to come together to sharing their knowledge, for me, that's a wow moment.
For other Lions Club to participate and do a health event, I think it's very important to help educate the community of different things that's offered in their community for them to help them.
I think what we provided for our community, good opportunity to gain good health and to understand their health better and to understand some of the opportunities that there are out there that they may not have known about.
I'm going to start thinking about how can I be more healthy at home. I want to teach people how to help themselves. I want to see this community thrive. That's really what I want. That's what I want.